Good day, everyone. Today, I will talk about a very important question. Can Jose Rizal be made obsolete? In today's fast-changing world, many young Filipinos see Rizal only as a required school subject, not as a person whose ideas still matter. So the real question is not whether Rizal changed, but whether we change the way we understand him. So, to answer this, we first need to understand the word obsolete. Something becomes obsolete when it is no longer useful, relevant, or remembered. So when we ask if Rizal can be made obsolete, we are really asking if his ideas still matters in today's society. Some people think Rizal is becoming obsolete because he is often taught in a way that feels distant and repetitive. Students usually memorize facts about his life, but they are not always encouraged to connect his ideas to the present. Because of this, Rizal can feel more like a school requirement than a living influence. The real problem is not Rizal himself. The problem is how we sometimes teach and understand him. If we only see him as a hero in a textbook, students may admire him but never truly relate to him. In that sense, what becomes outdated is not Rizal, but the old way of teaching him. Rizal can never truly be obsolete because the issues he fought against still exist today. He stood against injustice, abuse of power, ignorance, and the manipulation of truth. These are still problems in modern society. As long as a truth, education, and justice matter, Rizal will always remain relevant. If Rizal were alive today, he would probably speak against fake news and misinformation. He would encourage people to think critically, verify information, and use their knowledge responsibly. This shows that Rizal is not just a hero of the past. He is also a guide for the present. Rizal does not become obsolete on his own. He only appears obsolete when society stops applying his values. This happens when history is distorted. We students memorize instead of reflect, and when his works are reduced to simple summaries. A hero becomes irrelevant only when people forget why he mattered. For young Filipinos, Rizal is not just passing a subject. He is a reminder to use education with purpose, to think critically, and to stand for truth. He challenges us to be responsible citizens and to understand that patriotism is not only about words, but also about action. So, can Rizal be made obsolete? My answer is no. Rizal himself cannot be obsolete because the values he stood for are still important today. However, he can seem irrelevant if we fail to understand his message and stop applying his ideas in real life. In conclusion, Rizal is not obsolete. He only seems distant when he reduces him to memorization or empty symbolism. Is a long as truth, education, justice, and Filipino identity matter. Rizal will always remain relevant. The real question is not whether Rizal is obsolete, but whether we are still willing to learn from him. Thank you for listening.